Okay, so last lecture, this sum, question number 6. What was unique? That finished goods was given and annual demand we had to calculate by converting finished goods into raw material. Okay, so this was the conversion that we had done. 1 kg of raw material में 5 finished goods were prepared. So 50,000 finished goods के लिए how much raw material is required? Okay, so that was the twist. So these were the probable answers. My frequency was 5 times. So I told you to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the answer we know, but still we will go 2 steps more. Okay? Yeah. This is size of order A upon the frequency 10,000 upon 1, 10,000 upon 2, 10,000 upon 3, 10,000 upon 4, 10,000 upon 5, 10,000 upon 6, 10,000 upon 7. Okay, so 10,000 is the A which we got. And then I told you to calculate third column O into O. O into frequency. That is a better way to calculate. It's easier. So frequency is 1. So 1 into this. Frequency is 2. So 14 into 2. Frequency is 3. 1400 into 3. Frequency is 4. 1400 into 4. And like so on. Okay? ऐसे करते जाना है. Clear? Next. CC calculate करने को बोला था तो I told you we'll have to use the calci for this shortcut. So my shortcut is what? My C is how much? 7 numerator. Denominator is fixed 2. So 7 upon 2 is going to be constant. So 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Multiplication sign 2 times and then I want answer for 10,000. So type 10,000, press equal to. Okay? 45,000. Then type 5,000, press equal to. The answer is 17,500. Type this 333.33333. Go up to 4 decimals. Okay, press equal to. So I'll get this 11,600 and rounded off 67. Then type 2,500. Press equal to 8750. Type 2,000. Press equal to. Answer is 7. Type this 1666.6666. So 5833. Okay. Then type this 1428 point, go up to 4 decimals 5714, press equal to. So it is 4,999.999. Obviously I rounded off to 5,000. Okay. So this is the shortcut. You'll be able to complete your sum faster. Okay. And then total cost is CC OC plus CC, matlab this column plus this column. Okay. 35,000 plus 1,400, 36,400. 2,800 plus 17,500, 2,300. So like that, you keep adding till here. Okay. These are the probable shortcuts. Okay. Now, at EOQ, what is there? Yeah. At EOQ, what have we learned? Total cost is the least, minimum, सबसे कम. So if you look here, सबसे कम total cost कौन सा है? ये वाला, right? Yeah, this one. So highlight the answer. This is ये range में मेरा answer है. Match it with the formula method. Obviously, it has to be correct. My frequency is 5. Here also it is 5. My EOQ was there 2,000. Here also it is 2,000. My OC and CC in formula method was 7,000, 7,000 respectively. Here also it is same. And my total cost under formula method was also 14,000. And in table method also it is the same. What's the final answer? Yeah. And right here, total cost is minimum. At EOQ. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you guys must have got the same value, same answers. Is it clear till here? So now I'll move on to the next question. Next question be the one which I'm taking today is a unique one. Thoda alag hai question. Okay. Let's come to this question. Question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. So JP Limited manufactures a special product, follows the policy of EOQ. Okay, fine. For its one component, okay, that is per unit, okay. Purchase price per component. So the raw material price is given. Okay, raw material price per unit दिया हुआ है कितना 200 रुपया. Okay, how you have per kg, per liter, per unit, like that they have given you the quantifying value is what per component. Okay, cost of order, so this is my O. Annual cost of carrying 1 unit of inventory, so this is my C. 10% of purchase price बोला है. Total cost of inventory and ordering per annum. Okay, so this is something new. Okay, this is new. So what is given? Total cost is given to you. Otherwise, total cost we only find, na? Generally we find it. But your total cost is given to you. Okay, so this is my total cost. Okay, then there is something. The company has been offered a discount of 2% on the price of the component. This is also new. ये भी हमने पहले नहीं किया है. There is an offer of 2% discount on raw material. Price of the component means raw material price per unit. Okay, provided the lot size. So lot size कितना है? 2000 बोला है. Condition applied. Okay. So this is size of order. If you purchase 2000 units, I mean, if in one order you buy 2000 units of the raw material and the components, then how much discount I will give you? I'll give you 2% discount. Is the question clear? Okay, what is the size of the order? Size of the order is 2000. That is what they are said. Okay, question समझ में आया? Understood the question? TC is given, total cost is given. Okay, till now we haven't done sums where total cost is given. Okay, fine. So what do you need for calculating EOQ? We need square root of 2 AOC. O we have, C we have. A we don't have. In the question, A is not given. Annual demand is not given. Okay, they have given you total cost. So total cost ka what is the formula? 2 AOC. Okay, total cost. So total cost मुझे पता है. ये मुझे पता है, O मुझे पता है, C मुझे पता है. So can't I find A using this formula? I'll substitute this in the formula and I will calculate the value of A. Am I clear about this? Understood the correlation, what I'm trying to say? How to calculate A? A is not given. And neither they have given you any ratio that finished goods of raw material wala ratio is also not there like in the earlier question. The ratio with finished goods and raw material was given, but in this question it is not given. So how will you find A? By using the formula of total cost. Why? Because total cost is given. Okay, am I clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the question clear? And there is an offer for a discount also. Let's see last May what to do with that. Okay, so start. Write down EOQ, write the formula. Square root of 2 AO upon C. So A I don't know. A मुझे नहीं मालूम है. O I know. So you don't write A right now. 4,000 don't write. We will first calculate it. Don't write. This we don't know. So we'll have to calculate this. O is order cost, 100 rupees DI. Carrying cost is given. 10%. 10% of what? 10% of the purchase price of the raw material. Per unit per annum. Right? So per unit is how much? 200 rupees. Per annum percentage is how much? 10. So 200 rupees ka 10% is how much? 20. Okay? Then total cost is given in the question? Yes, it's given. So write it down. Given. Okay? Yeah. This is like maths. Equation में substitute करो. So we know this is 4,000. Yes. We know this is 100. We know this is 20. So solve the equation. You will get the answer. Okay? I hope you all remember all this. You all must have done in 8, 9, 10th. Not 8, 9, 10th also. Square roots were in 9th standard. Yeah. So squaring both the sides. Okay. Why will I square both the sides? So that the square root sign goes away. Okay. That's the logic. So 4,000 will come 2 times because I'm squaring it, and the square root sign will go away from here. Okay. See. See, there is no square root sign now. It goes away. Okay. Yeah. Because I have said squaring both the sides. Okay. Solve the equation. A will come here. So ये divide हो जाएगा. Okay. So 4,000 into 4,000 divide by 2 divide by 100 divide by 20. So my answer is coincidentally 4,000. So I got A 4,000 annual demand. Okay. Now substitute this here 4,000. We just got this answer. Okay. Yeah. See this. Then you substitute this in the above formula. 2 into 4,000 into 100 divide by 20 and press the square root sign. So my answer is 200 components. So my EOQ is how much? 200. Okay. Yeah. Till EOQ, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone till EOQ, how to calculate EOQ in this question? Okay. Right? So this part is done. Yeah, it's done. For if the same sum you want to prepare anything, your table method. It's not asked, but if you want, you can do that. Okay. I can calculate frequency also. Yeah, frequency is what? A upon EOQ. A is how much? Abhi mila 4,000. EOQ is how much? 200. So 4,000 divided by 200. So 20 times. So I have to place order 20 times in a year. Okay. The first part is EOQ. I have done with. Teach you all 5. 2 I am done with. 3 order cost. Okay. Yeah. What is the formula? A upon EOQ into O. A is how much? 4,000. EOQ is how much? 200. O is how much? 100. Okay. So 4,000 divided by 200 into 100. So the answer is 2,000. So right here 2,000. Okay. You can cross check this. It's the cross checking also I have taught you. C is equal to frequency multiplied with O. Frequency is how much? 20 times. Into O is how much? 100. So the answer is how much? 2,000. Okay. Then calculate CC. What is the formula for CC? What is the formula for CC? EOQ upon 2, right? Yeah. EOQ upon 2 into C. Okay. So EOQ is how much? 200. We just got upon 2 into C is how much? How much we calculated C? 200. No, sorry, 20. So 20. Just check. Yeah. 200 divided by 2 into 20. Yeah, my answer is correct. 2000. Okay. So OC and CC. Obviously, final answer has to be same. Correct, no? Yes. It has to be same. Okay. And 2000 plus 2000 is how much? 4000. और वो दिया है क्वेश्चन में. Total cost is how much? 4,000. So the answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Is it clear till here? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. Note this down. And then we will do the other part. The discount factor, which is given in the question. I'll explain that then. Okay. So by the time, just note down all this. Okay. So I hope till here it's clear. Coming on to the next part, discount. The company has been offered a discount of 2% on the price of the component provided. The lot size is 2000 component, the size of the order at a time. Now, what does this mean? Okay, pay attention. You have a supplier that is a creditor, जिससे आपने raw material खरीदा है, supplier of raw material. Okay, so now he is giving you one offer. तुम कितना परचेज करते हो उससे? तुम उससे एक बार में 200 परचेज करते हो. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? आई नो इट थ्रू दिस आंसर, थ्रू द EOQ आंसर. सी, What is my one-time purchase as a manufacturer? My one-time purchase as a manufacturer is how much? 200. Okay. How? I calculated through my EOQ formula. Okay. So my one-time purchase is 200. What this man is telling me, supplier is telling me that, madam, instead of purchasing 200 quantity in one time, you purchase 2000. You don't purchase 200. आप एक बार के ऑर्डर में 2000 यूनिट्स ऑर्डर कर दो मुझसे, and then I will give you a discount of how much? 2% on what? On the raw material price, obviously, because we are doing material costing. Clear? Okay, so this is the offer he has given, that instead of purchasing 200 quantity, 200 components, he's telling me, madam, you purchase 2000 components and I will give you a discount of 2% raw material per unit. Okay, so this is the offer he has given. Now I will have to analyze and see whether this offer suggested by the supplier, जिससे मैं रॉ मटेरियल खरीदती हूँ, उसने मुझे ये जो आइडिया दिया है, इज दिस आइडिया फ्रूटफुल फॉर मी, इट शुड बी गुड फॉर मी, देन ओनली आई विल एक्सेप्ट इट, राइट? सो दैट इज द क्वेश्चन ऑल अबाउट. Okay, now you will be thinking, ma'am, we are taking 200 from him, 200 quantities, so why will I take 2000 quantities when I don't need only 2000 quantities? Why will I need? Okay, but just understand one thing, students. मेरा A कितना आया, मेरा एनुअल डिमांड कितना है? My annual demand answer is how much? My annual demand answer is how much? 4000. Correct? My annual demand is 4000. ठीक है? तो अगर मैं 200 units purchase करती हूँ, 200 components as per my EOQ formula, so I have to purchase 20 times in a year. तब जाके I am able to fulfill my A 4000. Okay? So if I purchase 2000 units, okay, and I want to suffice my obviously, see, this will not change. Raw material given by the supplier 2000, that doesn't mean I'll start consuming more raw material. No, my annual demand is how much? My annual demand is 4000 only, so I will stick to 4000 only. So 4000 divided by 2000 कितना होता है? 2. So in a year, I have to then purchase only 2 times. So my frequency is reducing. Earlier, my frequency of purchase was 20 times in a year. Now my frequency of purchase is gonna be 2 times in a year. So, okay, let's see. Okay, 2 times in a year I have to purchase, and earlier I was purchasing 20 times in a year. Okay, so let us see which offer is better. Obviously, जिसमें मेरा cost सबसे कम लगेगा, मैं वो offer accept करूँगी. Understood? तो जरूरत तो मुझे है 4000 यूनिट्स की. आई नीड 4000 यूनिट्स ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल पूरे साल के लिए. जरूरत तो मुझे है 4000 की. उससे थोड़ी ना मेरा रॉ मटेरियल इंक्रीज हो रहा है. कंजम्पशन नहीं, कंजम्पशन तो सेम है, पहले भी 4000 था. 2000 यूनिट्स खरीदूंगी तो भी 4000 ही होगा. सिर्फ मेरा फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ परचेज विल रिड्यूस. ओके, एम आई क्लियर अबाउट दिस? इज द लॉजिक क्लियर about the offer, frequency of purchase and all that? Okay. Yeah, thanks Devanshi. Okay. Okay. Let's see the offer. Make a comparative cost statement. Yeah, particulars EOQ with 200, which is my normal buying capacity, 200. Purchase capacity, yeah. And the order size, which is offered by the supplier, 2000. So I have to compare between 200 and 2000. Okay. What is my purchase cost? How much I am purchasing? My A is how much? Annual demand is how much? 4000 only. I said na, just now I explained. My A is not going to change. My A is not going to change. It's going to be 4000 only in both the cases. I'm not going to increase my consumption. Okay, yeah. So 4000 multiplied with 200 rupees of raw material. So 8 lakhs. Okay, and in the second case you're getting a discount. 200 pay, 200 is the raw material price, you're getting a discount of 2%. So 200 less 2%. So 196 is the price of my raw material now. Okay, 196 multiplied with A, 4,000. So my answer is 7,84,000. Okay, now listen. What am I calculating? I'm calculating total cost. Total cost of what? Every chapter of cost accounting justify which formula? Total cost plus profit is equal to sales. Correct? And total cost mein what do we have? Material, labor and expenses. Correct? And I am studying this right now. I mean, we are studying this material costing. So what is total material cost? Total material cost means purchase of the raw material, order cost and carrying cost. Okay, am I clear with this? Understood what is total raw material cost? It is purchase price of the raw material plus order cost plus carrying cost. Total cost is what? Order cost plus carrying cost. But if I want to calculate total raw material cost, then it is purchase price of the raw material plus order cost plus carrying cost. Okay. Yeah. So come to the next one. Yeah, write down order cost. What is the formula for order cost? A upon EOQ into O. So calculate 4,000 divided by 200 into O, 100. So my answer is 2,000. 2,000. Okay. Next, A upon EOQ. So A is how much? 4,000. Divide by, according to the supplier, what should be my size of order? EOQ, what? See, my EOQ is 200, but supplier has said don't take EOQ 200. Madam, you consider a new EOQ, new size of order should be 2,000. So divide by 2,000 into 100. So 200. Okay. Then calculate carrying cost. EOQ upon 2 into C. So 200 divided by 2 into C is how much? 200. So 20,000. C is 20 rupees. Yeah. Okay. Then in the second case, EOQ is how much? 2,000. The new size of order as per the supplier is should be how much? 2,000. Divide by 2 into. Now what is the raw material price? 20 rupees is the raw material price. 200 ka 10% is 20. That was the C carrying cost. इस पे 2% discount दो. So answer is yeah, 20 rupees पे give 2% discount. So it is 19.6 my new raw material price. So multiply 19,600. Okay. So total purchase cost is what? Purchase 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. 8 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 20,000. So 8 lakh 40,000. Next, 7,84,000 plus 200 plus 19,600. So 8,03,800. 8,03,800. Okay. 8,03,800. So obviously, which offer is better? The supplier is giving me the offer of 2,000. He's saying, ki, madam, your EOQ should not be 200. I mean, you should not purchase one time में 200. You should purchase from me 2,000 units. So I will be able to save a lot of money. So I should accept this offer. Okay. कितना amount बच रहा है? See, 36,200 rupees I'm able to save if I follow the offer given by the supplier. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So how much you are saving? And you have to write. We just saw 36,200 we are saving. 36,200. Okay. So end में write the comment. Since the manufacturer is able to save rupees 36,200, so he should accept the offer given by the supplier of buying 2,000 components with discount of 2% on raw material purchase price. Okay. Is the question clear?